Let me bring my wife in. Leah.
Yeah.
Leah, you've seen her before. This is my wife, Leah. Round of applause for Leah, who's been helping me out so far a whole lot. Leah, can you get the family album, please? With yeah, can you go get the family album?
The family album.
All the pictures, like all the pictures we collected in the family album, that every family has one. So if you could just get that so we can show them our family album.
Okay, so where's your phone? The album's in there.
Let me put that aside. Let me pick up the camera and let's show them all the pictures we have of us as a family around the house.
Start anywhere.
Yeah, because we have no pictures of ourselves up. Why? Yeah, why? Quick question, what kind of pictures do you all put up of your family? Like, is it usually like accomplishments and things? Like, is that what you all do? I personally like embarrassing pictures.
I like the genuine moments of like laughter and happiness. Being able to show the personality of the family is something that I really want to capture.
Because we look at it together and we remember it, we laugh about it, we talk about it, we kind of remember where we were when it happened.
Yeah.
Hopefully this inspires you all to do the same thing too. We are going to not forget who we are as a family.
Yeah.
We are going to take those moments and memories, we're going to pick some out and actually put them up so we can remember each other. No more excuses. Let's make a gallery wall now. All right, so this is the space where we're gonna put the gallery wall. Because it's next to the living room. When anybody comes in, it'll be one of the first things that we see, and I think it'll make it a lot easier for us to kind of remember these moments if we can see it right when we come into the house. This mirror's gonna have to go somewhere else because we don't have space for that. Now this whole thing came as a set. We wanted a whole variety of frames to put up on our wall, different sizes. We wanted places to put little decorative things on, little fake plants and stuff. And the whole point is to make the area look interesting. To be honest, I do not know off the top of my head, like where to place different size frames at on the wall. So luckily, when we ordered this from Wayfair, it came with this. It's literally showing me exactly where to place each of these pieces on the wall. It's basically a cheat sheet, and I'm happy to have that. I wasn't gonna record this part because all I'm doing is trying to look at where the frames would go on the wall before I put the pictures in them. But what I noticed is that one of the nails was not able to go all the way in. So there is a stud finder that I have that I never used. And so in order for me to finish this project, I had to use this thing to detect where the studs were. I never used it for that. And I truthfully don't even know what that means. What does that mean? Studs in the wall, what does that mean?
Framing.
Okay. So this thing beeps and lets me know where those, but I do have to kind of shift over one of the pieces of this set just so that it can work for my house. And you all may have to do that too. I don't know. Y'all may know this better than me, but anyway, don't judge me, judge yourself. Now this one's gonna be really special because this is Zuby and Zebby. These are our two cats. We had them both for over 15 years. This one passed away only a few months ago. And so them seeing the cats as babies, I think is gonna be pretty special. Now the girls haven't seen this stuff yet, so I'm gonna wait for them to get home from school, then I'm gonna show it to them and get a real reaction on seeing the moments that we forget about often.
You put my picture there. Yeah. Be right there. So good memory. I'm gonna cry.
It's serious how simple a concept like this is, but how big of a deal it is when we see it.
Yeah.
Mommy's getting emotional, and that's okay.
I'm really glad we did this, and now that it's here, I'm just proud of my family. It's really nice to see us off the phone, off the screen, onto our wall, which kind of makes it even more present and real. And I like the idea that the gallery wall can be something that can always be changed.
Exactly. Now we have the family kind of immortalized right in front of us. Yes, it's hard to miss it now. Now this, Amala, is 2 of your artworks. That's 2 things that you did.
I'm like, who painted this?
Yep, you did.